Actually being driven down the ground because it's such a tough shot with the height. Straight up, who's underneath it? No one wants to get there. It looks like Ellis is coming forward, and he takes the catch. And a great breakthrough for Jamieson.
That went extremely high. Goodness me.
The big wicket of Solia. He departs for one, 15 for one. Straight up, and he's done it. Keeper's underneath it. And he takes it. And the big wicket, the big moment.
And James Vince departs.
Edged and just short. Or did it carry? Did that carry? It did. They are confident, the Kings, and Chapman's gone. And he has. So there are the soft signals. So it needs to be conclusive evidence to show that it hit the ground. Murdoch. That's a good catch. He's standing deep as you would with Jamieson, who's a tall man. And for Mark Chapman, it's going to say go and join. Brilliant start by the Kings. Chapman out second ball for 0. Out. Everything happened in slow motion, but he picks up number 4.
Ronnie Hira, he just swatted this out to cover, simple as you like.
A batsman that was playing pretty well, Ronnie Hira, with a little cameo, 15 off 15, and Auckland now 91 for 7.
Front edge, and here it is, number 5. What a performance by the quick for the Kings. He has turned this game on his head, and now he's wrapping it up.
McClenaghan looking to play on the leg side, top edge, won't get an easier catch than that.
We talked him up, but McClenaghan gone for 0. As there's another one, it is. He's got number 6. 6 wickets for Jamieson, and the Kings can't believe it.
Through the shot, just spooned it up, and that is the third very simple catch to give some of the... we're on a hat-trick. It's his last ball of his spell. I'm lost for